So you see the suspension, the service suspension is that light is on. I haven't been driving this truck. No Drama has been driving it. So add that to the list of things that need to be fixed on this truck. And as you can hear, this power steering is gone all the way. So got a lot of work to do, man. A lot of work to do. So right now we're headed over to the shop. I gotta get that Monte Carlo out of there. The sale has not gone through yet. It's in limbo. I don't have time to waste. So I'm gonna get that Monte Carlo out of there today. So once again, the Monte Carlo is for sale. Hit me down in the comments or hit me on my Instagram and get in my DMs if you're interested. Other than that, I'll see y'all at the shop.
Even when I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit.
A lot has changed around here quick. Man. Back at the old spot with the hoopty. Y'all hear this thing? This thing sounds crazy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, when does it stop? Yeah, so I gotta call the tow truck driver. He said that he could come to get the SS. This, I'm gonna work out a deal with the new body shop owner, and that's what the owner that's what we were just talking about. He said I might as well leave it here and just pay this guy storage for this. I don't want to leave this here, so I'm still gonna take this out of here, but this is in no condition to go anywhere else. The K5 is gonna stay. Monte Carlo is out of here, so I'm gonna call the tow truck driver now because he's doing a delivery or a drop off or whatever, and he said to call him once I got here, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, man, y'all are vicious in them comments, boy. I don't know how y'all can blame me for something that I had no fault in, you know? I had to find all this stuff out by customers telling me what's going on because they knew this guy longer than I did, shoot. But y'all want to blame me, and y'all keep talking about broke because I can't afford to tow the cars and all that nonsense. Yeah, I'm having some financial difficulties. I got a lot going on. There ain't no shame in that, you know? But when I'm up, watch me. It's all good. You know, we've all been down. Ain't nobody perfect. Right now I'm down, but your boy will be back. So enjoy this moment. Enjoy this moment, haters. So you guys who have been on the channel for a while, who really watch what's going on, you know I just got a brand new battery. It's dead already. Let me grab the keys and see if it's in the other truck. Let me see if it'll start by some miracle. The C10.
Yeah.
Carlos's?
No, the C10, the one that wasn't inside there, in the side, in there.
Oh, the one with. So, see, this is another thing that I'm talking about. He told me that he didn't have any room at the new yard. It's not a new shop, it's a new yard. But he told me that there's no room at the new yard for the K5, right? But because this customer still owes money, he's towing this to the yard. So what am I to believe? Why am I not supposed to be upset? Now y'all hit me down in the comments and you let me know. How would you feel? What are you saying? What are you doing? So see what I'm saying, man? Like it's a lot of stuff that I don't say because I'll be trying not to fry anybody or put anybody on blast. I'm just telling y'all my truth. That's it. I'm telling y'all my truth. And the truth about it is that this car is a customer's car. He owes about $4,500. El Jefe tells me there's no room at the lot for any more cars to go. And I came in originally as a customer. The Monte Carlo, the K5, the pickup truck, you know, all that was supposed to have been being worked on. And let me show you newcomers who think that I'm the one tripping. Or because I'm broke, I'm mad. That ain't got nothing to do with nothing. Let me show you. All right, for all of y'all who think I'm the one tripping, what does this say? What's this date right here? 7 stands for what? July. 25 stands for what? The day of the month, the 25th. 18 stands for what? The year, right? So we have July 25th, 2018. This is how long this truck has been in this shop. I've been a partner here for the last few years, okay? This truck has not been touched, which is why I decided I'm going to be a partner here. So you do the math. And again, for all the newcomers, new part, all new parts. Why has this truck not been touched? New parts. So tell me, haters, down in the comments, let me know, what am I hating about? Why am I mad, or why am I trying to blame him when this is the reality? If you guys were on the channel and you saw all this happening in real time, you wouldn't say what you're saying. I just be trying to keep it cool, man. You know what I mean? Because I'm not that type of dude, man. I don't like drama. I like my peace. I don't like trying to put people on blast. But again, this is my reality. This is my truth. But back to our regularly scheduled programming. Let's see if this thing starts. I know it won't, but I'm gonna try anyway. Damn, it's totally dead. That's a new battery. Blood clot. And I can't get the hood open. You know what, man? I'm about tired of this. I'm really tired of this. Who wants a Monte Carlo, man? At this point, I'm ready to just give this thing away. Who wants it? Come get it. Yeah, man, like I said, I'm not here to dog nobody out. I'm just showing you guys what's going on in my journey with all these cars. You know, y'all can call me broke. You can call me what you want. Yeah, once again, I am having financial difficulties. I don't have my shop anymore. I got a ton of cars, and the cars that you newcomers are seeing are not the only cars that I have. I got a whole bunch of cars, man. I'm not tripping off of what y'all saying, but this is this is no fun right now. So enjoy the laugh with me, or I'm gonna enjoy the laugh with you guys, because y'all don't even know the half. But when you do know the half, you're gonna know. So don't talk trash and then cut out. Stick around, because I got something up my sleeve for y'all. All right, trust me. Oh, and by the way, that was the new owner that El Jefe was talking to. So just so you guys know, that's the new El Jefe. So the Roadrunner, we never finished. And I'll just say one thing about that. Well, he's still the owner of the building, clearly. He's not too happy about that car not being done. And at the end of this episode, I'm going to drop a little bombshell on y'all. Not that you will care anyway, because most of y'all is haters, but it's all good. See, my air suspension is out. Everything is just going bad. This is crazy. But anyway, the mechanic is about to look at this and give me his list of things that need to be done. These dudes charge like the dealer, man. Trying to tell you. So it's going to be expensive either way, whether I take it to the dealer or whether I do it here.